Hey there. Welcome back to Silver Healthcare. Today, we've got an important topic to cover for those of you considering care assistant jobs with visa sponsorship in the United Kingdom. We're going to delve into the nitty-gritty of the cost of living and accommodation. But before we jump in, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our helpful content. Alright, let's get started. Cost of living in the UK. First things first, let's talk about the cost of living in the UK. It's crucial to understand that expenses can vary greatly depending on where you're located in the country. If you're in a major city like London, you can expect higher living costs, but that's often balanced by higher wages. In London, you might be looking at rental prices ranging from £800 to £1,500 per month, depending on where you choose to live. And that brings us to housing. Rent will likely be your biggest expense, so be prepared for that. You'll typically need to pay a security deposit, usually equal to 1 month's rent, in addition to your first month's rent. Transportation is another significant cost. The UK boasts an extensive public transportation system, including buses, trains, and the London Underground. Depending on your location and usage, you could spend anywhere from £60 to £150 per month on transportation. Now, let's talk about food. On average, groceries can set you back about £200 to £300 per month if you cook most of your meals at home. Dining out, of course, can be pricier. Utilities like electricity, heating, cooling, and water will add roughly £100 to £150 per month to your expenses. The good news is, as a care assistant in the UK, you'll have access to the National Health Service, NHS, which provides free healthcare to residents, including visa holders. However, you might want to consider private health insurance for additional coverage. Beyond these essentials, you'll also have other expenses like mobile phone plans, internet, and leisure activities. Budget around £50 to £100 per month for these costs. Accommodation options. Alright, now that we've got a handle on living costs, let's explore accommodation options. Renting. Most care assistants initially opt for renting apartments or houses. Remember, you'll likely need to pay a security deposit, usually equivalent to 1 month's rent. Shared housing. Sharing a house or flat with others can help cut living expenses, and it's a popular choice among young professionals and newcomers, but be ready to put up with both the good, the bad, and the ugly. Assisted living facilities. Some employers in the healthcare sector provide on-site accommodation. It can be super convenient, but availability may be limited. Temporary accommodation. If you arrive in the UK before securing permanent housing, consider staying in temporary options like hotels, hostels, or short-term rentals. Tips for managing expenses. Before we wrap up, here are some tips for managing your expenses as a care assistant in the UK. Create a monthly budget to keep track of your expenses and income. Consider using public transport or cycling to save on transportation costs. Cooking at home can significantly reduce your food expenses compared to dining out. Explore discounts available for healthcare workers, including transportation and shopping. Finally, consider setting aside a portion of your income for savings or investments to secure your financial future. And that's a wrap for today's video on the cost of living and accommodation for care assistants in the UK. We hope you found this information helpful in planning your journey as a care assistant in this beautiful country. If you have any questions or want more information on a specific topic, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and share it with anyone you think might benefit from it. Thanks for tuning in today, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and stay tuned to Silver Healthcare for more valuable insights. Remember, you can get our new book, The Secrets to Getting a Care Assistant Visa Sponsorship Job in the UK. Link is in the comments section.